7442. Coffeyville. I believe this parking right here is part of this property. I may be wrong. The wood needs to be touched up. Need to remove some weeds. Probably replace those with something a little okay, so these blinds should be replaced with 2.5-inch forward blinds. Repaint. The flooring looks alright. It's not, I mean, there's scratches and things. It's coming up. It's cheaper, but we'll see what Jenny says about possibly leaving it for maybe a tenant turn. There's definitely some wear on some cabinets, so probably paint them. We're at window 5. Oh, sorry. Okay. So you have a little bit of a patio cover. Definitely need to clean up the weeds. We have a fan right near the door. The verticals look good from what I can tell, but we'll take a closer look. If it goes under contract, see if it needs to be replaced. They do appear to be in good condition. Windows 6 and 7. Tile here throughout the laundry and downstairs bath, which is a good thing in case there's any water damage or water issues. Better to have than laminate. I'm going to tack the same tile in here. Little crack here. I don't feel any creaking. This tub doesn't need grout, which is good. It's a little less maintenance. We have 2 closets. Upstairs, this is our first window. So upstairs, that's window 1. We have tile in this bathroom as well. Probably paint all the cabinets in the house. It's definitely a Jenny call. There's no light in this room, sorry. Definitely repaint and replace these blinds. Flooring overall seems fine. Seems to be in a little better condition upstairs. You have some marks like that. It's pretty normal. Anytime you have anyone living in a house. So upstairs it's 1, 2, 3 windows.